Hello everyone watching my video. I am Naveen. Today I am going to teach you some phrases which are very important for our improvement in our English. That will be very helpful for you to boost up your fluency. And these phrases are really very important. They are very common in uses. So most of the people and even in books also these phrases are used. So please do watch the video till the end so that you could understand all the phrases well. And you may write down also those phrases in notebook somewhere so that you could revise those phrases. You can do revision of those phrases later on. So let's begin. Let's start. The first phrase is fish out of water. Fish out of water means any person who is restless. We can call it in Hindi bhatakti atma. I mean, he is not ghost. He is a live person. He is a living person. And but he is restless. I mean, he is after any work, किसी के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, and he doesn't have peace in his life. So he is a fish out of water. Bhatakti atma. Sometimes we just talk this way. The next phrase is long time no see. Long time no see means you have not seen any person, you have not met any person for a long time. Then you can say when you see him after many days, after a long time, then when you see him or her, then you can say, hey, where were you? Long time no see. Long time no see means बहुत दिनों से नहीं देखा है आपने, ईद का चांद कोई हो गया है, तो you can say long time no see. Hey Naveen, where were you? Long time no see. So this way you can say. Hey guys. Next, don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart means don't take it seriously. If you are just kidding, and if anyone just takes it seriously, then you simply say to him or her, please don't take it to heart, please don't take it seriously, I am just kidding. The next phrase is eat like a horse. Eat like a horse means to eat too much, to overeat. And the person who eats too much, who overeats, that is called glutton. Pay two. So, eat like a horse means to eat too much. You can say if you are talking about any person, you eat like a horse. बहुत खाते हो, you eat like a horse. Next phrase is hold your horses. Hold your horses means to wait. Where are you going? Hold your horses means to wait. Just stay, just hold on. Please hold your horses means please hold on. Wait. The next phrase is sorry to bother you means when you are going to disturb anyone, you want any kind of help from him or her, then you are going to disturb him or her, then you can say sorry to bother you, I just want this, I just want your help, sorry to bother you. The next phrase is at a stone's throw. At a stone's throw means very near, anything which is very near, nearby any place, like you can say that temple is at a stone's throw from my house means that is very near to my house, that is not much far from my house, at a stone's throw. Next, slip of the tongue. Slip of the tongue means you happen to speak anything, I mean you happen to mispronounce any word, you spoke anything wrongly and you did not speak that deliberately, knowingly, it was a twist of tongue. You can say the correct phrase for this is slip of the tongue. You can say sorry, I didn't mean that, I didn't want to say that, it was a slip of the tongue. Slip of the tongue, jeep fisal jana, we can say slip of the tongue. Next, set out. Set out means to go somewhere. You can say next week I will set out to Delhi. You can say I am setting out to my school. Set out means to go somewhere. Next, set in. Set in means to start. Anything which is going to last for a little long time, then you can say that has set in. Now winter has set in. कोई ऐसी चीज जो थोड़ा लंबे समय तक चले, वो शुरू हो गई है या नहीं हुई है, so you can say set in. Winter season has set in. Winter season that will last for 2 or 3 months. So you can say now winter season has set in. Our holidays have set in means have started now. The program has set in means the program has started. Next phrase is face the music. Face the music means to face any unpleasant situation. परिणाम भुगतना किसी का. If any person who did not do anything well and he just wasted his time and he did not work hard and now he is having to face the music. In starting, many students, they do not work hard, they do not focus on their studies. Then later on they have to face the music. परिणाम भुगतना पड़ता है. And I am asking you too, and it's all about it is about me also. If I do not work hard, then I will have to face the music. परिणाम भुगतना पड़ेगा, consequences I will have to face. So face the music means to face anything unpleasant. Face the music. You may have heard the story about the grasshopper. So the next phrase is leave in the lurch. Leave in the lurch means to leave any person in difficulty, in a difficult situation. If you leave any person in a difficult situation, means you are leaving him or her in lurch. So do you want to leave your parents in lurch? You have to help your parents. You have to help your friends. Do you want to? Can you leave your friends in lurch? मुसीबत में छोड़ सकते हैं अपने friends को. Can you leave your friends in lurch? No, it's not fair. So please do not leave any person in lurch. Next phrase is child's play. Child's play means anything which is very easy to do. That is child's play. You can say speaking Hindi is a child's play for me. It's very easy. Riding cycle is a child's play. It's very easy. Next page is from scratch. From scratch means from starting, from very starting, from beginning. So from scratch means from very starting. You can say I want to learn English from scratch. Means I want to learn English from basic. I want to learn English from starting. Means I want to learn English from scratch. So next phrase is in full swing. In full swing means कोई भी चीज जोरों पर होना. In his growing, in his complete growth or movement, you can say Corona is in full swing. In its full swing, we can say Corona is in full swing. जोरों पर है, on the peak, we can say. Next page is fall from grace. Some more example if you want to hear. In full swing जोरों पर होना, महंगाई जोरों पर है तो inflation is in full swing. बेरोजगारी जोरों पर है, unemployment is in full swing. जोरों पर होना. Next page is fall from grace. Fall from grace means to deserve less respect from someone. नजरों से गिर जाना किसी के. Fall from grace. I do not want to fall from my parents' grace. Parents की नजरों से नहीं गिरना चाहता. I do not want to fall from my teachers' grace. Teachers की नजरों से नहीं गिरना चाहता. I do not want to fall from my friends' grace. If you do anything, wrong for somebody, then you are going to fall from somebody's grace. So don't do anything wrong so that you could deserve anything like that. So please don't fall from anyone's grace. So fall from grace means नजरों से गिर जाना. Okay, I don't want to fall from your grace. I just try to make good videos. So thank you so much. These are the phrases which I just wanted to teach you, and I think these are really helpful for us and in pretext to competitive exams, and these are really very helpful for us in our common language also we can use. And please do revise these phrases in your day-to-day language, and you may write also in a notebook so that later on you can revise them. And in your day-to-day language you must use these phrases. These are very common in use. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.